Dr. Riek Machar and Dr. Benjamin Bolmel are prominent figures in South Sudan, each playing significant roles in the nation's political and economic spheres. Here's a comparative overview of their backgrounds and contributions. Dr. Riek Machar Teni Durgan. Background and education. Born on November 26, 1952. In Lear, Unity State, South Sudan. Belongs to the Nuer ethnic group. Earned a PhD in mechanical engineering from the University of Bradford in the UK in 1984. Political career. Joined the Sudan People's Liberation Army Movement, SPLA-M. In 1984 during the Second Sudanese Civil War. Signed the 1997 Khartoum Peace Agreement with the Sudanese government. Becoming Vice President of Sudan and Chairman of the Southern States Coordinating Council. Rejoined the SPLA in 2002 and became Vice President of the Autonomous Government of Southern Sudan in 2005. Served as the first Vice President of Independent South Sudan from 2011 until his dismissal in 2013, which contributed to the outbreak of civil war. After several failed peace deals, was reinstated as first Vice President in 2020 under a revitalized peace agreement. Accusations of aligning with militias and involvement in renewed conflicts have persisted. Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Background and education. Born around 1978 in Awil East County, Northern Bahr el Ghazal, South Sudan. Belongs to the Dinka ethnic group. Studied business administration at the United States International University in Nairobi, Kenya. Business and political career. President of ABMC Thai South Sudan Construction Company Limited, a major construction firm in South Sudan. Served as chairman of the South Sudan Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture. Held roles as president, Salva Kiir's principal financial advisor and private secretary. Currently serves as vice president and chairperson of the Economic Cluster in the Republic of South Sudan and as the first deputy chairperson of the SPLM. Comparative overview. Aspect Dr. Riek Machar Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Ethnic group Nuer Dinka. Education PhD in Mechanical Engineering, UK, Business Administration, Kenya. Primary role political leader and rebel commander business magnate and political advisor. Notable positions: First Vice President of South Sudan, Vice President and Chairperson of Economic Cluster. Controversies: involvement in civil wars and massacres. Allegations of corruption and nepotism. In summary, Dr. Riek Machar is a seasoned political figure with a history deeply intertwined with South Sudan's struggle for independence and subsequent internal conflicts. His leadership has been both pivotal and polarizing. Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, on the other hand, represents the nexus of business and politics in South Sudan, with significant influence in economic matters and close ties to the presidency. Both individuals have faced controversies that reflect the broader challenges of governance and development in the young nation.
Malamadid gay gadel till I tell the long katan siatekel ganekiza. And Melin Konoma, I come Dr. Riek Machar, kana Dr. Bolmel. And Bolmel ne kana no chai chara no jara pass by president no ka South Sudan. Ka Dr. Riek Machar wa and pass by president ne kon dela no well. And Tommy Shidok barara no ba Dr. Riek Machar by Linduliana. And Tama ko ba Dr. Riek Machar ba Linduliana ka chala da no jan baloy ko ay laraten. Ala pass by president ka South Sudan. Kajala Kwardi doka SPLM Mayo no machai la no the bull mel bakulo ne kanta mo machai mbisos maybe Dr. Riek Machar baluin jogo la kwar arauda ka South Sudan bagwara nya wakane and bull mel bakulo nega chade kulare Stephen Parkour ane to gwapiko ten chalo le changait and warbeja kachabo malonka ka no mo jande kono which and Dr. Bull Mel Kabaya work a politic, child and no work a politic 2022. An ka wa den yam ngai ke bol mel ka jan avan yagat ka medi ka South Sudan na jan me jan ke bol mel ke jan mo jan take a company mekaba ne la de la kuaramo company namone a company ladwili ayan chale ABM ayan company mekaba ne ka nyama kan no ko politic ka kor ka me chai bulat ko politic ke 2022 ajan gwa de bibol mel ba baban ka politic aja kadar joje no de kula ramulat ko kuma South Sudan ka ja wa kap karama antama to no ko rundang raw ko rodien kambanda ka politic go ba politician kwela game kana Dr. Riek Machar mo ka politic no wal ke 1984 adene kama mubra manar ko South Sudan ba chuang karade ke South Sudan bara wike kana Sudan binai ne char bu chuang karodien gwa mo jan gwa to Dr. Riek Machar ga ja jan kwela goro no ba game ka Dr. Riek Machar tama kana mo amichi dem and penten nan kam den nan along ke kuja ma chila ta long kata dun kel kane chila ta ya taman